What's up, YouTube? We're here. I got a new action cam. I got the DJI Action 5 Pro. This thing is really cool. I just got it earlier today. I ordered it with this like little handle thing. It turns into a tripod. You can extend it. It also came with a windshield mount, so you can mount it on glass and stuff. It's right down here. This thing's pretty cool. It's like a little sucker thing. You push this thing in, it squeezes down on the glass or anything. Like smooth surface, but I use it on my back glass before to get some cool videos of the subs and looked really cool. I'll throw some of those videos in, but I'm just gonna do a little test video of like the roof flexing with this camera. It's a nice wide angle, see, so it gets like the whole, you can get like the whole roof. So it's also got this.
Make it. Make it.
Testing out the super night mode. This is like a night mode that enhances all the contrast and stuff. It looks really good because it's pretty dark out right now. Normal cameras kind of have trouble picking this up, but it's just a low base. It's not up all the way. Got a little rattle. I'm not sure where it's coming from. It's like under the box or something. Maybe this panel down here, I think. Yeah, it looks really good. This is, like I said, it's relatively dark out here. Most cameras would kind of struggle a little bit to pick up all these details, but it looks really good. You can even still see the flex, you know? Nice. Yeah, this camera works really well. It's a very clear picture. Even like through this screen, I could tell it's like nice and clear. It's also easy to, you know, move around. It's got this like stability technology to where it doesn't have like motion blur that much, and it's really good. Let me know what you guys think of the video quality, because I really like using this type of thing. It's got a nice handle for me to hold and shit. So DJI Action 5. Is that what it's called? DJI Action 5. Nice.